In this tutorial, we will create a package in the XMON administration client. We start by right-clicking the packages folder in the Object Explorer tree and select New Package. We give it a name and press OK. A package can start any command line program. It will wait for the program to end and report whether it succeeded or failed. In XMON, we have 3 environments: dev, test, and prod. Each environment can have different working directories and command lines for the package. We can select the different connection for each environment. The connection defines the server that the package will run locally on. In many systems, there are different servers between environments, and some servers are specifically configured to execute only certain types of tasks. For demonstration purposes, we will configure the command line to execute ping to a network host. We can copy this definition to both test and prod environments. In the properties grid, we can configure common properties like the description and the display icon, which will be displayed in the web client if the package is used on a process map. In the package section of the property grid, we can configure more advanced features, like if we would like the package to retry on failure, that is, only break with an error if the second execution is a failure. We can also configure how long it should wait between executions. We can override the default timeout on a package and configure if a certain user should get an email if this package fails or not. The package can be executed and put on a schedule from the XMON command line utility, epcmd. To do this, the start PKG switch would be used, followed by the ID of the package as a parameter. The ID can be found by hovering over the package in the object tree or looking at the status bar when the package is open. We'll now try to start the package with epcmd and see what happens. As you see, everything executed successfully and no actions were taken. We will now change the package to try to execute the pinger command, which does not exist, instead of the ping command. As you see, it fails and waits for 10 seconds. Then it will try again, and if it still has no success, it will quit with a failure and send out an email to report it. The package can also be executed as part of an XMON process or in an XMON object group. By doing this, we would be able to create a chain of packages to execute where we could have different handling depending on the results of the previous package, as well as ensuring that everything is executed in the correct order.